Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Anytype. Now Anytype is a relatively new everything app that aims to be a secure, private and flexible workspace for individuals and teams. It combines features of note-taking app, project management tools and databases into a simple cohesive platform. So let's give you the key features and benefits. Unlike traditional document-based apps, Anytype treats all pieces of information as objects. This allows for a highly interconnected and flexible system where you can link different types of content, that is notes, tasks, experience people through relations. This fosters a more organic and non-linear way of organizing information, mirroring how your brain might actually work. So another feature you get is local first and privacy focus. It has offline access, flexibility and customization, graph view, block-based editor, widget collaboration, Linux free plan. Then the potential feedbacks are, you have to get the app to see what I'm talking about. And the potential the potential drawbacks are: one, it has a steep learning curve. It's very complex. Flexibility is a strength, but it's actually very complex. Then the features are still under development because it is relatively new, so it has fewer integrations also. Compared to more established tools like Notion, Anytype currently offers fewer direct integration with other apps. Now, who is Anytype for? It's a practically well-suited app for individuals who prioritize data privacy and security. Users who think in a non-linear way and want a highly interconnected knowledge management system. Those who enjoy customization and tailoring their workspace to their specific needs. Users who need reliable offline access, and teams looking for a collaborative workspace with a focus on data ownership. So in conclusion, Anytype is a promising and innovative everything app with a strong focus on privacy, flexibility and interconnectedness. While it may have a steeper learning curve than some of its competitors, its unique object-based structure and local-first approach offer significant advantages for users who value data ownership and a highly customizable workspace. As the app continues to develop, it has the potential to become a powerful alternative to more established productivity tools.